Today, I will show you how to edit your videos with a few clicks and export ready to publish on all platforms using this AI tool called Submagic. I don't know if you saw it, but the intro was made by AI, basically my AI clone, and I will use my AI clone for this tutorial as well. So when you go to Submagic, you will have three different main things you can do: generate captions and b-rolls, clip videos. For example, you make podcasts, you can clip videos and basically split them and get magic clips from a long form videos or short form, and I will show you that as well. So what we will do, generate captions and add b-rolls. So you can upload shorts or 16:9 or 9:16. I will basically show you how you can make basically using a YouTube video. So you can automatically translate captions in all the biggest languages, and we will generate in English. And here you can see it will take around 46 seconds because it is generating captions with AI. Then it will generate emojis and highlight important words and create caption animations. So this is quite fast because it is already doing so much. So it even didn't take 40 seconds. It basically took like 20 seconds. So it is ultra fast. Now, first thing, what I will do, I will basically change the aspect ratio because I will make this for a short form platform. 9:16 automatically you see. And the thing what I like is that you can change your position. As you can see, the position is not straight right now. It is right in the middle. So the next thing, we will add some captions. So let's press play. And here you can basically change captions, different styles. Here you can see Hormozy style, 5 Hormozy styles. We have Mr. Beast style. We have Imangaji. So that's the first thing. Basically the captions are ready. Next thing you can do, you can go to this AI section. You can correct eye contact, which means that you can even film your videos by reading on a teleprompter and your eyes will not be straight on the lens. But this correct eye contact will basically correct your eyes and it will look like you're looking straight into camera. Next thing is clean audio. I have clean audio, so I don't need this. Generate hook title, which means that it will automatically generate a title, so the people that basically scroll on your video start instantly reading the hook. I will add magic b-roll. I will add magic zoom, just show you how it looks. So let's press play. Bro, listen, if you're making any kind of content right now and you're not using Submagic, you're sleeping on free growth. This thing is wild. It takes your raw clips like literally straight from. So as you can see, it automatically generates some zoom ins, zoom outs, and magic b-roll. What I like is, for example, the magic zooms are not really for me. I'm not making that kind of content, but for the b-roll, first of all, you can basically change media, every media you want. You can just search right here for free videos or premium videos, depending on what's your plan. The second thing is, what I like about this is that change the layout. So here you can see cover, which covers the whole screen. You can even split 50:50. So it will show you talking and it will show the video up there as well. And it is much better for people to keep their attention and keep watching your videos. So this is instantly doing so much for your video. That's why this is not a joke. This is not some lame tool. This is actually really useful. If you want, you can edit the whole scene separately as well. Next thing you can do, you can even change the colors, brightness, contrast, saturation, all that stuff. You can even add your watermark. So for example, let's write John Savage. And for example, you want to put this, your name or your brand name in a video. So if someone copy and pastes it on YouTube or wherever, they will see the John Savage or whatever your brand is. So that's another great thing that you can automatically change in the basically Submagic. You can even clean the audio if you have dirty audio or there are some noises in the background if you're filming on a street or in a forest or doesn't matter where there are some noises. You can clean the audio, you can add music. And what I love about Submagic is that here you can see it can remove silences for my videos. There are no silences right here. You can remove bad takes, add magic zoom. So basically you can do everything in one application. It will take you like 10 minutes. When you get used to it, it will take you maybe like 5 minutes to finish a one video from 0 to 100. After you are finished, you can just export. You can choose up to 4K, even 2K. You can change the frame rate to 60, and you can save this preset. So next time you will open a new video, that this preset will be automatically synced to your basically video. By the way, if you don't want to do all that stuff, you can choose, for example, you want your video to generate B-rolls, to add B-rolls to your video, or do only translation, or only correct your eye contact, or clean the audio. You can choose one by one. You don't have to do any of this stuff. But the last feature that I like is this. You can basically get any video from a YouTube. So just choose some video. So for example, here is a Sora 2 tutorial. I will just basically copy the link, go back to Submagic, paste it, and it will automatically import the whole video. And with one click, I will get the viral clips. Here, example, you can set the clip duration if you want less than 30 seconds long, or 30 to 59, or longer than that. I will do the auto, so the AI gets better clips. Also face tracking, and get the viral clips. And here you can see it will take around 11 minutes for the videos to be generated. This might seem long, but the best part is that you don't have to clip videos. You don't have to look for the specific parts where it could go viral, because Submagic will do it on its own. All you have to do is just wait 10 minutes. You can do anything in that in the meantime. So as you can see, we have 20 clips from this 7-minute long video. And the best part is that here you can see my face is on the bottom, basically left, but the clips, if you look at the clips, so let's check them. You will see that here it basically made me a 20 TikTok or Instagram short form videos. And here you can see it basically put it that my face is in the middle, and the whole content is in the middle as well. And this video is not basically really great for short form videos, but if you do it right, you can basically make easy 20 plus videos for your TikTok or Instagram in basically 11 minutes, as you saw. And you can see all the clips. Here is even the percentage of shareability, hook strength, story quality, emotional impact. So it basically even analyzes the videos and shows you how good they will basically perform on social media. So that's basically insane, in my opinion, that you can do everything on Submagic. And yeah, you can even, for example, make your videos that they are split in separate parts in a way that when you put these videos in this basically clipping tool, it will clip them perfectly section by section. So that's that. If you're talking about pricing for Submagic, here is the pricing. So basically you can get for 23 euros every month, you will get 40 videos per month, which means a video or basically video per day for the whole month. So you can basically make a video every day, professional looking video, all the story blocks, B-roll, custom caption templates, studio quality, clean audio. So basically you get all the features for $23 a month, which is pro. And you can just use the starter if you don't know if you want to use it for long term. And if you are a business and you are doing a big volume of videos, for example, 100 videos a month, 3 videos per day, you should do the business, which is 41 euros every month. And this is if you buy it yearly. So that's that. Definitely one of my favorite platforms, submagic.co. All the links are in the description below for you to check. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, Press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha, AI tools. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.